flash comes on.
Good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, hasn't it? But we're now on a road trip. So we're actually up in Newcastle. See the old park up there, the van in the background. And it's the first time all 5 of us have been in the van and the dog. We're going to have 2 weeks out on the road. So we're in Newcastle city centre. You can see the city behind me there. So we're up here because I've got a job today. It's my birthday, by the way. But yeah, we've got a job today. Fitting a few bits on an old Talbot. So I'm doing that. Wife and kids are going shopping. And then we're heading north.
So guys, we've just been in the metro centre and it is massive. It's packed with people and I managed to get a pickle. Have we been shopping?
Yeah.
Yay.
Daddy.
Where we get some teddies.
Daddy.
Wonder how Daddy's getting on at work.
Mommy Jane.
Wow. Oh!
That good, Rory?
Give me a sign, something that shines. Take me out of space and time. It's more than a dream. Now I'm the wind. Feel it around me. Now I'm in.
Lovely little pub stop last night. Obviously Danny's birthday, so stayed here. Went in there for something to eat. Lovely, lovely, lovely little place.
After crossing the border, Rory had a little nap and then we went to watch the sunset over the Kelpies and it was stunning. So we're on the road again and we are heading south-west. So we're going from east, just outside Edinburgh, Falkirk. And we're heading down southwest of Dumfries. So we're on a site there for a few nights. Hello.
So we arrived on site quite late yesterday, actually, a lot later than planned.
Yeah, it's massive site, to be fair. It's huge. Went for a bite to eat, didn't we, up in Golf
Clubhouse
Club.
kind of thing. That was quite nice, actually. Reasonably priced.
Oh, who's this idiot?
Ice cream van in background.
Yeah. You haven't seen Ice Cream Van in a while.
So
They're too busy without us, they don't like us anymore. So yeah, 3 nights up here, haven't we? So we're just going to have a walk down to the beach. Thought we might take you with us.
take you along, let's see what the beach
I
looks
just
like.
did my face.
Come on then. Rory Road.
Take me to the ruins, aquifers and springs, baby ferns uncurling, every living thing. Be to me a mother, both hands on the wheel. Show me faded color, fields of chamomile.
It's only water.
All at once in a dream, we are together. You could call it a vision or a tether. All at once I can see it, we're back together. You could call it a vision or a tether. Take me to the
Girl has lost the
jungle,
plot.
teach me tiger love. Read to me a poem, sing to you a song.
No,
Drunk
because
in
like
my
she's gonna really have to do
devotion,
it.
laid out on your chest. Student of abandon, with you I'm blessed. All at once in a dream, we are together. You could call it a vision or a tether. All at once I can see it, put back together. You could call it a vision or a tether.
So Danny's took all 3 of the kids swimming. So I took full advantage. Went and had a shower, washed my hair, dried my hair, straightened my hair. And now I'm sat here with a cup of coffee and my book. I'll be back in about half an hour, I reckon, so just get to chill out for a bit. Even got my candle burning. Candle on. And when they get back, I reckon I'll crack open the wine as well.
Come on, 1, 2. Hey stop 참 무책임해 왜 자꾸 들었다 놨다 해 헷갈리게 친절은 사양할게 오해하게 하지 말아요 날 yeah 들어봐 가뭄 같은 마음엔 뭐라도 단비가 돼요 돼요 무의미한 말에 자꾸 내 맘이 설레요 그래요 갖고 싶은데